Hey, good morning, everybody. Steve here. I got a bit of an issue going on with the Oldsmobile. See that? Got a misfire on cylinder 2. Let me show you what's going on. Man, I guess I got me a bad spark plug wire going on here. Look at that. Crazy. Let me get it insulated. I'm going. Man, I'm pretty sure a mouse did that. I'm going to tape it up for today, but I got to go to work. I'll order some new spark plug wires. All right. Man, talk about redneck repairs. Man, no more sparking. Yep, the auto says it all looks good. I'm going to go get out here and reset these codes that were caused by it. I'm pretty sure. Man, maybe I got a 420 alarm in here. Maybe that caused it. Giving it too much gas. And I got a 420. Couple of evap codes. Man, this 420 was worrying me. Let's just clear them out. I'll take it on a ride today, back and forth to work, and wish me well. Hope it all goes good. All right, have a great day, you guys. I'm going.